tuck yourself in then.
This is perfect for fall.
Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny, and today's video is a full hair transformation start to finish with 2 different looks. Let's get into it.
That's just how I live. Money and pretty women. Highness and fit. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I live.
New week, new hair, and who's in the house? We got D-Side in the house. Okay, I can't do it how she do it, but this is my sister Boom, aka D-Side on YouTube, and she is about to get me all the way together with this fall hair transformation.
Ooh, we're gonna get my hair done. What this is right here?
Right here.
No, I ain't right here.
I'm going to start off by using alcohol to remove any lotions or oils from my hairline. That way it won't interfere with the wig application. Edge control just to kind of brush back my edges. So today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. A quick unboxing of the wig I'll be wearing today. The Ombre Blonde Blunt Cut HD Lace Glueless Bob wig. So the length is 12 inches, the density is 250%, the cap construction is the 9x6 Glueless S cap. And normally wigs come with a elastic band, but we got a drawstring situation, y'all. Cannot wait to try that out. This is a pre-everything wear and go wig. Pre-cut lace, plucked hairline, and bleached knots, as well as a few accessories. So you got your red tail comb for styling, a few clippy clips, an edge brush, and the real HD lace wig cap. And the claim is that one lace is supposed to match all skin tones, so let's get into it. So my sister is going to start off by applying the real HD lace wig cap, and this is supposed to match all skin tones. So as you all can see, it's definitely blending in very well with my skin tone. And we got a few upgrades with WowAfrican's wigs. The knots are tiny and already bleached, and this wig is going to mimic the forehead contour. So it's a superb fit.
When you get married, you gonna let your husband be a stay-at-home hub, or he gotta go to work?
Yeah, he gotta go to work.
That man won't work for a career.
So one method for securing the HD lace wig cap is the stocking cap method, and we're using the lace adhesive spray to apply the cap with. Another option is just applying the wig cap as normal, which you all will see further on in the video, so you gotta keep watching.
Baby, it's the everything for me.
You can adjust that thing. I had pulled it.
Cranium.
I love this new customization to the back side of the wigs. It's such a comfortable fit, and if you don't want to do like the glue, the spray, all of that, if you just want to use that drawstring in the back, that's definitely an option. But y'all know I'm a little extra. I want to rock mine for a couple of days, baby, so I said give me the works.
What was going on, but she wouldn't tell me. Desmond, she was sitting out there in that car crying.
I wasn't crying.
Yeah, she was. Look at her voice. Do that sound believing? No. She ain't gonna say it. That'll be talking. I told her, I said, you need to talk to people. That's why you got family.
She lying.
Who said I'm unbelievable? That's lie for what? What I gotta lie to you for? My own mama? That's crazy.
I wasn't crying. She lying.
Alright, man, you can just run the camera back.
You can't see on the camera saying it's not crying.
I was not crying.
You gonna look, girl. Woo. Don't want no help, I guess, Mom. See how I'm a straight for Nelson. There's something I can't teach you. You gotta be born with. Stop right here, my finger. Okay, okay.
Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me.
For you to cry. Then the thunder was going to shoot. Oh, he don't love me no more. Then back to It's Too Late. Basically, it's just a good song.
Marvin Gaye is Too Late.
Yep, it sound like Marvin Gaye. And I was like, the next time I cry, I hope that song magically come on. You don't got a cry playlist? Huh? You ain't got no playlist, you cry too?
Nah, I've been trying to work on making a
So you don't self-sabotage?
Oh yeah, I self-sabotage.
So you don't have a cry playlist, you're not true to the game?
Oh, I'm true to the game, I just don't have a playlist yet.
So you not a self-sabotage person then?
I'm wearing color hair all fall. You heard it here first.
What color?
I like color on me. It
What?
can complement my skin tone.
Yeah, cause you getting old.
Oh, it makes me look younger.
Yeah, all women love a good color, baby. When you stop getting a buzz down jet black, that's how you know you old. Wait, remember when I used to wear the buzz down?
Bust down middle part.
I like to push it up in the glue. Then I do like this, hers up in the glue. Go ahead and get them up. Then I do it like that, they're just flating out that edge of the lace. I'm gonna put glue up on your other edge thing, cause I ain't know where to stop there. That's why I ain't put that glue all the way down.
Ooh, we look at different
I
already.
love 'em.
Y'all, why Boone said if your front door squeak when you open it, you need to keep it like that. Cause on these movies we watch, that's how people get got when the person can sneak in on them. What the door gonna say?
Don't you hate when folks?
Yeah, I'm finna knock her head and right quick. I'm gonna call you back. I love a good ratchet hair appointment. People tell all their business at hair appointments. It's like
You supposed to.
free therapy session. Okay, not free because you're paying to get your hair done, but
You supposed to.
it's given once I sit in this chair, I'm finna tell you all my business. So then, how about after this?
Let's stop being insecure. This little thing.
Yeah, I ain't did my routine.
You want a patch?
Head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign.
But if you actually want to lay your wig, if you choose to this, get your spray bottle, spray right there. Make another pause, spray right there, spray right there. Tie it down, be as flat as it can be. That's how you talk.
Do you see the difference? I should have let you do my wig before the Mimosa Festival because my lace was showing. But I didn't use glue.
This calm heat resistant.
Did you just put it on your face again?
Now I'm trying to see, is heat resistant?
For real?
Yeah. I hurt you?
No.
Let me ask you a question. That bob I had took from you, did you take it back? Because I've been looking for that short blonde bob.
I ain't got no short blonde bob.
You had one.
I try to
took-
keep my wigs when I don't have one that's like it, so I'm keeping this.
No,
one.
I took it, but it glazed.
No, I didn't. I got a wig like
You
this,
did
but
have
not
a
this
wig
one.
like
It's
that.
shorter. I know which one you're talking
I
about.
took
It's shorter
it from
though.
you, but now I don't know what
I mean,
it
it's
said.
longer
What happened?
than this one. I don't never take back none of the wigs y'all get. Sure.
What kind?
The reason why.
That Johnson. I'm sorry.
What's that?
Her sleek stick. You know your mama got everything. I want to mimic natural edges, but
Okay.
because the lace too beautiful to do all that. Let me tell you some edges.
Okay.
People do all them ghetto edges because their lace terrible, their lace gray.
Okay.
Your lace isn't gray.
Okay.
So we're not doing all that ghetto stuff.
Mute your TV more.
Edges is a cheat. Your wig lifted, lay the edges, it'll hold it down. Your lace gray, do edges, it'll hide it. You'll never see Patti LaBelle with a lot of edges. Why? Because that's Patti LaBelle.
How you like that ankle bone?
I like it. Why you overthinking? But let me tell you, I don't like that. I noticed that you overthink now.
I'm working.
When you do it, no, you're not working on it. You want to know why you get like that? Because who you surround yourself with, what kind of conversations they have.
Not overthinking. I just be when
Let
I
me tell you
edit,
something.
I can't
Let me tell you
undo the
something.
angle
Have
that
fun. Have fun. They work with you because you started off having fun. Once you stop having fun, you may as well not do it. You may as well go clock into a job. The beauty of doing this work for yourself is you can do whatever the heck you want to do.
Okay.
So stop overthinking.
I'm working on it. You're right.
Now, ain't no work on it. Do it. What you working on?
I do overthink a lot. I don't know.
Where you get that from? Because that's a demon. So where you picked it up from along the way. Not being satisfied with yourself. When God made everything, when he made the earth, what he say, this is good. When he finished, this is good. You don't even do that. You don't say this is good about nothing you create. Why? So it ain't a God.
Okay.
Picked it up from
Because
somewhere.
I've been trying, I don't be knowing if I want to be in close on the edges or out to where we're both in the front.
And you want to know why? When you editing, you can't crop in.
Go wide and you can crop if you want.
No, because Punt think she don't be satisfied with obsessed about
thing.
her. Stop,
I did.
another thing,
Yeah,
stop
when you
watching
wanna crop
people.
in, they just
Man,
crop
mama
it
don't
in.
watch YouTube.
Right
You
now.
accepted whatever energy that TV got too. If you watch a scary movie, you putting the evil up in your house. You watch them girls, you putting that up in your house. Stop watching them before they ain't satisfied with what they like. That's why they selling instead of doing videos. My bad, Puy. I think you gotta remember who you are.
I always appreciate your advice.
No, I'm saying I'm trying to come out harsh. My voice not that
You
sweet.
didn't come off harsh. I respect what you
Both
said.
look really good, so you can just kind of go with that sleek back look if you like. Y'all know when you wear wigs, it's all up to you and your personality, how you want to play in the hair. So my sister's going to use her 2-inch Remington flat iron. I'm not sure what temperature she has it on, but she's just going to straighten the hair for me and lightly bump the ends, and we decided to keep the middle part. One thing about my sister, boom, she gonna give it to me straight, like no chaser, as straight as she getting this hair, okay? But that's the thing, everybody can't talk to me like that, but she my little sister. And she a Sagittarius. Y'all built different. Shout out to y'all.
I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails.
This is our client of the day, folks. Her hair is stiff. She still got a little body, but it's not cutesy. It's not demure. Lay her back in the sink.
So my wigs wash their routine really quick because we about to rewear this wig, y'all. So basically, I always use a clarifying shampoo, rinse, lather, repeat. Whenever any of my wigs have blonde in them, I'm definitely going to reach for my purple shampoo just to kind of get out. Basically, purple cancels out yellow, so your blonde can be a true blonde. Little to no shedding with this wig. Absolutely love that. Always follow up with conditioner, detangle your hair, and this is a great time as well to sit it on your mannequin stand and decide where you want your next part to be. That way, as the hair dries, it dries nice and neat.
Keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But
Testing 1 2 1 2. Hey, testing 1 2 1 2. I just put a new battery in my mic. I gotta make sure I'm on point, baby. So it's been a few weeks since Boom installed my wig for me. I want to run it back. Well, I'm thinking I want to do some wand curls to it. So Heritage sent me over, not sponsored, but I get PR from them. The Heritage by Mindy wanded, kneaded, 1-inch curling wand, extra long barrel. I know that's right. We're gonna try it out. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, we got a little handle right here for holding it so it don't get too hot on the hand. Oh, I think I broke it. Definitely just broke it. How I do that? Why you can't be detachable right there? Instead, I'm going to take my Remington curling wand. I want to turn it all the way up 410. A lot of body foam and mousse just to lay the hair in place. Even adhesive spray. It's not like a glue or anything. Kind of just like a hold it. Oh! Hold and spray. I heard my nephew, Mr. Lincoln, he's 8 now. And he was like, Riz. I attempted to use it in a sentence. Failed tremendously. And it just made me kind of feel like, okay, I thought I was up on slang. I thought I knew this. I thought I knew that. And apparently I don't know nothing. I'm 33. Like, wait, Mr. Lincoln, what is Riz? Like, what is that? Explain. And so it's basically being able to, I guess, talk to girls and the girls like you. Or a girl talking to a guy and the guy likes them. I'm messing it up, clearly, because I don't got Riz. I'm trying to think of what would be similar to Riz for the 30 and up. Swag, sauce, juice. I'm gonna take small pieces. I remember when I was younger and I would watch my mama curl her hair on Sundays before we would go to church. And her curler was different. She had the kind with the clamp that would hold the hair into it. And I used to like the sound. It was so aesthetic. When I would hear her in the bathroom and she would wrap the hair around and she would be like, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3. And I was like, why she count so fast? Like, she not even holding it a long time. So I'm gonna curl my hair like that. Literally every time I curl my hair, it made me think of my mama when she used to do that. Boom. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cute. And the thing I like about this, don't overthink it at all. You can miss some pieces and this kind of style will still turn out cute. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I hope my hair got fully dry under me. I'm feeling a few damp spots, but I'm gonna curl it anyway. Don't be lazy. I always tend to get lazy with my hair sometimes, whether it's my own hair that I'm doing or a wig. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If she don't bring it up to me, it means she didn't watch my video, so she better watch my video. I like the way I did my makeup today. Yeah, I like doing my hair. It makes me happy when I'm in the mood to do it. Lately, I've been like a friend calling. Let me put my headphone in. I'm recording! If you know, my screen went out on my phone. If I answer my phone and it's not on speakerphone, and I only saw one person comment that to me without me mentioning it, and she was like, when Apple fixed her screen, basically her speaker stopped working. And so now I either have to talk to people on speakerphone or with my Galaxy Buddy. And y'all know what I want though? I think I want to get the Beats headphones because I think they come in pink. Whoever got headphones that come in pink, that's what I want. There go FaceTime. People love FaceTime. When I say my phone be dry, let me be busy, let me be active, let me be filming, let me be recording, let me be getting to the money, let me be doing something. Now y'all want to talk, like, but I ain't doing it when I'm sitting on the couch watching Gilmore Girls. Where y'all be at? That's cute. Oh, I'm scared. You know, my personality changed. I'm scared of whoever she finna be for the weekend. I ain't scared, they better be scared. How about that? Listen, I ain't never scared. My sister suggested these one curls. I forget how Dominique said it. She was like, you gotta do the one curl. I just like this color on me. I always tell my mama and my sister, like the older I get, I just like it light. I like it light bright. I'm finishing it. If I don't go out tonight, I'm about to stay in and edit it too. What do y'all like most about fall? Really the weather? Well, I feel like it depends on where you live. It's that weather where you don't need the heat on, but you don't need the air on either. Like, that looks so good. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Since I freshly curled my hair, I'm gonna hit it with some of this hair perfume. So yeah, before I run my hands through it, I ain't even look at it. I'm showing y'all what I don't even see. I'm feeling this right here. What? I hate when my necklace do that. And I didn't run my fingers through it a lot. Yeah, this look good. Y'all didn't see me whip out powder, bleach, hair color, none of that. So all of this color and this ombre that you see is all WowAfrican's job, and they did an amazing job. I love the color a lot. Straight, I think that look is gorgeous too. Let me know which look y'all like. Let me know which look you like. It just get me right. We can switch it up. I like this look on me a lot. Special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. All the details about this hair will be in my description box down below as well. And you all can use code Destiny40 or Destiny15 to save money on your purchase. What should we name her? As always, I thank you all so much for watching. This is perfect for fall. Like what? Yeah. But thank you all so much. I want to film a girl chat soon. We back in our bag. We back working. Sometimes you think you're not in a good mood and you just need to do your hair. You either need to do your hair or get your hair done. I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
What wrong with you, girl?
I gotta do it again. Just hit myself in the eye.
So
Bro,
that's why
you
Cassie.
don't get your sensitive tail off my phone.
Ain't nothing about me ever been sensitive. I'm just making sure you can sleep good at night. I'm saying. Well, baby, I'm just making sure. Well, tuck yourself in then.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women.